So I am traveling from Denia to San Antonio, Ibiza with the ferry. If I knew that Denia is such a nice place, then I would probably stay here for at least one day, because as you can see, it's really nice up here with the beautiful castle in the backside and many terraces. So people here are really enjoying the good life, and that is something that you can really feel energetically. So for me, it's the first time that I take the ferry from Spain to Ibiza. So I thought, why not making a video about it for the people who are interested maybe in traveling with the ferry. As you can see, my ferry is up there. You have to go through the backside. I believe that I can check in about a couple of minutes.
Muy poco hecha.
There's my bag. So I have to take the boat, and I think that is the entrance all the way up there, so into the boat. This is actually not so bad. And the trip only lasts 2 hours or something. You can chill out in the meantime, having some dinner, some snacks, watching a movie. Alright, first I thought that the ferry was going to San Antonio. Apparently it went to Ibiza City. So this is my room with the balcony, and it's just simple, kind of Ibiza style. Alright, hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe because the next episode will be Ibiza.